Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best salad spinners on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is 𝐂𝐋𝐄𝐂𝐑 Grip Salad Spinner. This simple, plunge-style salad spinner from 𝐂𝐋𝐄 is an all-around winner for durability, capacity, and performance. This is the spinner I prefer to use at home. In my tests, the machine dried a full basket of chopped romaine thoroughly in about 1 minute. The clear plastic bowl allows you to see how much water is accumulating outside the basket, so it's easy to dump and continue spinning. The plunge mechanism is sturdy and easy to use with one hand, plus the bowl won't move around too much on the counter. To stop mid-spin, simply press the brake button before opening the lid to avoid flying lettuce. When you're done, the entire spinner can be cleaned in the dishwasher and the plunge locks flat for easy storage. Dimensions: 10.5 into 6 inches, capacity, 6.2 quarts, dishwasher safe, yes. What we love. Plunger locks closed for storage, braking mechanism. What we don't love. Plastic bowl may scratch easily. Number 2. Second best pick is Prepworks by Progressive Collapsible Salad Spinner. For kitchens low on storage space, this collapsible salad spinner is a game changer. It folds closed from a height of 5.25 inches to a compact 2.5 inches, so it can even be stored in a drawer. It's also lightweight and would be a good option for travel, camping, or an RV trip. The plastic materials, however, may not be the sturdiest. The handle used to spin the basket came off during my tests, though I was able to pop it back into place. The interior basket also has a large rubber portion to allow it to collapse but also limits the amount of water that can drain. For this reason, the spinner took longer to dry lettuce than other models. And spinning the small handle can get tiring. It's a two-handed job because the bowl will wobble about once it picks up some momentum. Dimensions: 9.5 by 5.25 inches when open, 9.5 by 2.5 inches collapsed, capacity, 3 quarts, dishwasher safe, yes. What we love. Folds closed for storage, easy to clean. What we don't love. The plastic handle breaks easily. Number 3. Third best pick is 𝐂𝐋𝐄𝐑 Grip's Little Salad and Herb Spinner. The smaller version of our best all-around salad spinner, this cute 11-cup device is ideal for smaller households. It's also easier to clean for any household without a dishwasher. It can fit about half of a head of chopped romaine or a full bunch of herbs and dries things easily without bruising. During my tests, the spinner needed to be emptied a few times before the lettuce was totally dry, but the process took less than 2 minutes. And thanks to the clear bowl, there's no guesswork. As soon as you see water gathering in the bottom of the spinner, simply dump it out and continue drying. This model is dishwasher safe and the plunger locks in a flat position for storage. Dimensions: 8 into 6 inches, capacity, 3 quarts, dishwasher safe, yes. What we love. Clear bowl to see what's inside, brake to stop spinning. What we don't love. Does not fit an entire head of lettuce. Number 4. Fourth best pick is 𝐒𝐀𝐋𝐄𝐃 Stainless Steel Salad Spinner. For a gleaming spinner that matches your appliances, you can't go wrong with this stainless model from 𝐒𝐀𝐋𝐄𝐃. This spinner has a spacious 5-quart capacity that can easily fit a whole head of chopped romaine. This option uses a string pulley system to dry the lettuce, which may not last as long as the plunger style, as the string can fray, especially with regular dishwashing. The spinner comes with a plastic lid that secures tightly to the bowl and is handy for storing washed greens without waste or plastic bags. It also has a sturdy rubberized bottom that minimizes movement, but you'll need 2 hands to pull the cord and hold the bowl in place. Dimensions: 15.75 into 11.5 inches, capacity, 5 quarts, dishwasher safe, yes. What we love. Includes lid for storing lettuce, large capacity. What we don't love. Multiple pieces to keep track of, pricey. Number 5. Fifth best pick is WeluvFit Electric Salad Spinner. Bring your salad washing into the future with a hands-off electric spinner. Once you've filled the basket and secured the lid, just press a button and let this whirring machine do its job. The spinner whirls for about 10 seconds with each press, so you can drain off any water between cycles if necessary. I found that one head of lettuce needed 3 cycles. It's quiet and stays in place, but it's best not to leave the spinner too close to the edge of the counter. While you do need to charge the battery via the USB port in the lid, it lasts for 100 or more spins. However, the machine does not indicate if the battery is low, so you could end up with a dirty head of lettuce, a dead machine, and no manual backup option. Dimensions: 9.29 into 6.38 inches, capacity, 4 quarts, dishwasher safe, no. What we love: hands-off spinner, large capacity, USB charging port. What we don't love: no low battery indicator. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.